Hello everyone. Continuing further with measuring correlation, there is another method given by a British psychologist, C.E. Spearman. This method is used when the variables cannot be measured meaningfully. For example, variables like efficiency, beauty, intelligence, honesty, and so on cannot be measured in quantitative terms, as these are qualitative in nature. For such cases, Spearman developed a ranking-based correlation method called as Spearman's rank correlation. Now there are three variations here. The first such variation is that ranks are already assigned to the values of the variables for the purpose of analysis. So it is called Spearman's rank correlation when ranks are given. Let's understand the method. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Punam, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. Just concentrate on this fact. Suppose in a village, you need to calculate the correlation between height and weight of the students, but you do not have any measuring rod or any weighing scale. How will you do that? This is possible when you rank the students in terms of height and weight without using measuring rods and weighing scales. That is what is meant by rank correlation. From now onwards, we shall discuss how is rank correlation found as given by Spearman. In rank correlation, the coefficient of correlation is based on ranking the variables. It is used when variables like efficiency, beauty, and intelligence cannot be measured quantitatively. So one can find coefficient of correlation in three cases. 1, when ranks are already given. 2, when ranks are not given. And 3, when ranks are repeated. Let us begin with finding coefficient of correlation when ranks are already given. For that, let's first understand the basic steps. So first step is that represent the ranks of first series as R1 and second series as R2. Then find the difference between two sets of ranks. That is, D is equal to R1 minus R2. Then find squares of these differences and obtain summation of D square. And finally apply the formula rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. Have a look at this illustration. You need to find the coefficient of rank correlation from the ranks as given by 2 judges to 8 participants in a speech competition. These are the ranks given by Judge 1. These are the ranks given by Judge 2. Now let's understand its solution. For that, you need to make a table with 4 columns. Column 1 provides ranks as given by Judge 1. Column 2 provide ranks as given by Judge 2. Column 3 is about the difference between the ranks, and column 4 is D square. To the first participant, rank given by Judge 1 is 5, whereas rank given by Judge 2 is 8. So the difference between the two ranks is R1 minus R2, that is minus 3. So D square becomes 9. To the second participant, rank given by Judge 1 is 3 and rank given by Judge 2 is 2. So the difference between the ranks is 1. 3 minus 2. Square is 1. In the similar manner, you need to complete the table. N is known to us is 8. Once you have found the difference, have its summation, and then have D square and its summation. And after that, you need to apply the formula. So once the table gets complete, then you need to apply the formula. Rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by N cube minus N. Substitute the values. We found sigma D square as 36. So 6 into 36 divided by, we knew N is 8, 8 cube minus 8. Calculate the whole thing and you get 0.572 as rank correlation. So the interpretation is that there is a moderate degree of correlation between the ranks given by two judges to the participants for speech competition. To sum up, if you need to find rank correlation and ranks are already given to you, then you need to apply this formula, that is rank correlation is 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by N cube minus N, where D is the difference between the ranks as given, N is the number of variables. So it is easy to find rank correlation by this method. I hope you have understood the steps. Next time, we shall discuss how is coefficient of correlation estimated when ranks are not given. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.